Casper, I'm glad you missed the bird. I'm gonna show Grandmama all my flowers. Yeah. I don't see the purple on that, but it was there on that one. Big old bee. Where'd it go? It's there somewhere. And the hummingbirds have been loving this one. The purple one, the light purple. I forget what the name of it is. So we're going to have a new fence this week. So we moved the compost bin. Got my bird feeder there. You can see where I've been working in the yard. Bird feeder there. That's the kitchen and the den there. And the back patio. So today I planted some coneflowers and moved stuff away from where the fence is going to be taken down and the new one go up. So I've been working in the yard for about 5 hours and moved my peppers. There's all my succulents. I'm doing a video for my mom.
Okay.
Yeah. Since she loves to see flowers. More coneflowers, different colors. That pile over there at the corner is going to be what I need to finish. And then I'm going to have a little border to protect the plants that are there. But I had to clean and dig up my veggie plants that are about 3 feet this side. So clear area. So I moved all my plants and dug up the tomato plants and have them in planters here and more bell pepper. And then put some stuff in. These are mainly herbs in here in my little greenhouse. And got everything all watered. So it'll be much better when we have a fence up and then we'll hang some lights and it'll be all pretty. Because the neighbor back that way does not keep a nice yard at all. So we'll be able to hide it. So this is my joy, and I've definitely enjoyed it today. I've been out here for quite a while, so I'm gonna rest now. Love you.